Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today what I'm going to do is I am going to take up the 10 minutes makeup challenge, in which I am going to do my makeup within 10 minutes. So I have seen Bronzing Geek and Beauty Co doing this challenge, so I thought, why not, let's do it. I have seen many other YouTubers also, but these were the ones whom I saw first, so I thought of taking up this challenge. So before starting, let me tell you that all of my stuffs are here, and let's see how I am going to do it. Also, if you guys are interested in watching, please keep on watching till the end and see what result I reached to. I don't have another separate phone, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set a timer on my laptop here itself. Yeah, so that when the time ends, you guys also can hear. So I'm also going to set a sound setting here so that you guys know what I'm exactly doing now without blabbering too much. Let's get started. Getting into the video, let me tell you that I have my laptop right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a stopwatch on my laptop because I don't have another phone. So yeah, let's do that. By the way, I am really what should I say, apprehensive about this, that how this video is going to be, how I am going to do my makeup in 10 minutes. Although I have done my makeup in 10 minutes, but let's see, like, I haven't thought of being that. So I don't know if you can see my laptop right here. Can you see my laptop? Yeah, this is my laptop, and here is the stopwatch. Actually, it's on charge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start and tell you guys how I am going to do this challenge. So let me start it. So I have started it. So now for the first thing, what I'm going to use on my face is the Cuffs and Lashes Glow Serum. So I don't use any type of primer. So I just use this. This makes my skin really good. So once we have applied this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my foundation. This is the PAC foundation, and I'm going to take this brush to, sort of blend this in my skin. Okay, let's see how much time it takes. So I kind of like this particular foundation because it is really good for my skin, and it does not make my skin feel very oily or very, I would say, dry. So it's perfect. Okay, done with this. Now I'm going to use a concealer, and for my concealer today, I'm going to use this one. This is the LA Girl Pro concealer. Okay, it's 2 minutes. Oh my god, I have concealer on my brows. So done with this. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows pretty soon, pretty quickly I would say. So now I'm also using some of the products which I use on a daily basis, which is really good for my skin, and I love using them. So this is the next palette which I'm going to use. So I'm going to set my concealer using this and bronze using this. So these type of multi-purpose products are really useful if you are doing your makeup in a rush. So these are really useful. So going to set my face. Okay, and now I'm going to contour. So I am not fast forwarding any clip so that you know that how I did my makeup. Oh god, so now don't have like 5 minutes are left, so I think we will be able to finish this. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is apply some blush cum highlighter. So this is the blush which I'm going to use. This is Nykaa Glow Gold's Shimmer Brick in Sunset Love. And what I like about this blush is that you see there are so many colors which you can use. And now let's do it really fast. So you don't need a separate blush or highlighter. Like this alone can do the work of both. So that's what I like. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the same thing and I'm going to apply it on my eyes also. So that we are super quick, we don't waste any time. Okay, so now I'm also going to apply a little bit of highlighter. For that I'm using this Nykaa Glow Gold's highlighter, Strobe and Glow highlighter. Messing up with the names, so sorry. See, I don't apply much. So that's the deal about this. So now I'm also going to apply the liquid lipstick. This is by PAC. This is their sweet lip cream sensation. So I'm going to use that. Okay, so I think we are almost done. I'm just applying mascara, and for my mascara I'm using this NYX Worth the Hype mascara. had some mascara on my lower lash line. Great. So I'm taking the banana powder and just going to, spread it. Yeah, I think almost we are done, and just I'm going to apply kajal. So it's we have one and a half minute left. And yeah, I think I'm done. Okay, so I finished my makeup in about, I would say, 9 minutes. So yeah, I have done my makeup in 9 minutes. So I haven't applied eyeliner because I don't apply eyeliner on a regular basis. If you are watching me since the beginning, so this is how the makeup looks. Looks very very fresh, very good, very glowy. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this one, and let me know if you guys want me to take any other challenge. I would be more than happy to do that. So yes, I think we need to stop this video right here. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care, and yeah, bye bye.